Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar to all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find out how to apply all of those steps in your browser. So let's open the browser, as I said, and here in the Google Chrome we have to tap on the three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on delete browsing data. And here your device will show you what it will actually remove. So the history, like opened websites, tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. You can change the time range. You can choose either 15 minutes or even all time. It's totally up to you. And then tap on delete data. However, be aware that those options are, I would say, basic. If you want to remove advanced browsing history, like for example, saved passwords, simply tap on more options, and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings, those options are advanced. So let's simply mark them to be sure that they will be removed. Again, you can change the time range for example, all time, up to you, and tap on delete data. And basically this is it, we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.